Hey guys, it's Izzy here. So I don't really know how else to do this video except putting like a slideshow because I filmed my screen of showing y'all how to edit my Instagram pictures, but just the problem I've had even with yesterday's video, when I'm doing screen records on my phone, the screen just shows up black once I put it into iMovie. So I don't know what's up with that. If you know how to fix that, let me know. But today I'm going to be showing y'all how I edit my Instagram pictures. Okay, to start, I'm just showing y'all my Instagram profile, what it looks like, and the theme that we're going for. It's more for a fall look. I've changed my theme every single month. So for this one, it's just really orangey. I just looked up like 80s filters and then just kind of did my own twist on it. So I use VSCO cam like most people would do. I have two pictures I'm gonna be doing today. One is a like landscape nature picture, and then one is a selfie of me, just because I want to show y'all that you can use this filter with all different kinds of photos. So here's what our picture will look like. I'm just showing y'all that I use the C5 chromatic and then the exposure, and then I'm going to go in and show you how you can get that. First, we'll start with exposure since that is the first thing on the little toolbar at the bottom, and we have that at negative 2.2. On to tone, we have highlights on the top, and we do that at plus 7.8. And then we do nothing with the shadows, leaving that at 0.0. For the ones we do nothing for, I'm not showing in this video, so all you have to worry about is the ones that I am showing here. Now we're moving on to our white balance. So we have our temperature at negative 2.1 and our tint at negative 1.4. With shadows tint, we do green and we do it in a plus 2.1, and this can be found on the split tone category on the toolbar. Lastly, we move over to highlights tint, which you can find on the same tool, and we do magenta, which is the purplish color, at plus 2.4. As I said, you can do the same method with a nature picture, not just selfies, and it still turns out looking great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye guys!